Welcome into the era of AI. Hello there and welcome. In this lecture, I would like to show you the video of the lightsaber which we have created so that we can go ahead and proceed to generate the graphic design ad, right? That doesn't involve video. And also I'm going to show you some secrets when it comes to using ChatGPT for Facebook ads. Without further ado, let's get right into it.
Unleash the force with our ultimate lightsaber. Crafted for true fans, this saber boasts a durable hilt, vibrant LED blades, and authentic sound effects. Perfect for epic duels or as a collector's item. Get yours today and embrace your destiny. May the force be with you.
All right, so I can pause it there. And as you can see, that's a pretty good ad. If you put it on Facebook, the sound is good and pretty much everything else is good, right? So it could do really well. Now, let's say that you want to sell this, right? And you want to promote it on Facebook. You've already built the landing page and you want to send people to that landing page. You want to start sending some traffic there. Now, first of all, go to ChatGPT and do the following. So you can say, I want to create a Facebook ad campaign for this product. That's it. Just type that in so that ChatGPT can know what it is that you want. And of course, here is giving us some details, which not precisely what we want. We're just going to ask it what we want later. Now, after it finishes, of course, I'm going to say in as brief words as possible, generate a very short description for the Facebook ad graphic. Now, the graphic design is basically what people see because nobody pays attention to the text. And here it says unleash order now. Well, this is good, but I mean, it doesn't look good at all. I mean, this is not going to be good. What I'm going to say describe the graphic design. Come on. Because obviously it thought I was asking it to write a description or something. So here it says high quality image of a lightsaber glowing with vibrant LED blades set against a starry galaxy background. The saber is held by a hand mid-swing with motion blur effects to emphasize action. The top corner features in bold headline. All right, unleash the force in a futuristic font with a smaller subtext below that says LED blades and authentic sound. A shop now button is bright, contrasting color. I think this is really cool. So I can just go ahead and download this right here. And I want to introduce you to this software. It's called Leonardo. Leonardo is amazing. I've left a link to it in the description, in the resources, and basically it's just incredible. All right, and once you log into Leonardo, you'll have a couple of credits that you can use for free, which I want you to go ahead and make sure you use them wisely. Now, when it comes to Facebook ads, if you click more right here, you can see that for Facebook, these are the sizes. Now, they suggest the 16:9 size, which is really cool. I think we can do a lot on a 16:9 inches design. And then basically after that, I just want you to paste your design right here. Now, if you want this design to be creative, leave it at creative, which is exactly what I'm going to do. But if you want to switch to another mode, you can switch to another mode. So that's just up to you. Now, I'm going to generate 4 images at a time. I'm favoring quality instead of fast mode, and I can just go ahead and click generate, in which case it's going to start generating about 4 images now, which are going to be good images for the ad. In the meantime, I want you to go back to the ad. Now, I'm going to ask it to write the headline and the description as well as the CTA for the ad. So I'm going to say write the headline, description, and CTA for the ad. And also I'm going to say respect Facebook ads policies. And please keep the headline short under the limit. Okay, so now I can hit enter, and now it's going to go ahead and basically write a Facebook ad copy. It says unleash the force, step into a galaxy far, far away, and the CTA is shop now. I could basically ask it to add emojis. So I say add emojis and hit enter, in which case it's going to go and write the ad. Now unleash the force with an emoji, and we have this description with an emoji and the CTA. Now that we're done with this, I'm going to say, I want to get the interests right. I want to get the interests right while I'm setting my ad. So please, could you brainstorm in 1 or 2 words each interest, all right, of potential clients? So here it's going to give us some interests. So people interested in Star Wars, sci-fi, cosplay, collectibles, Jedi, Sith, lightsaber, fantasy, action figures, Comic-Con, nerd culture, geek culture, Star Wars cosplay. And so it gives us all the interests. I'm going to say expand to, let's just say 500 interests. Let's say you want to target 500 interests at a time. You can just go ahead and type that in, and it's going to give us precisely, I hope, 500 interests. It will take its time because we asked a lot from it. And now it's giving us a lot of interests that you can use in your campaign as interests. And as you can see, it's now doing it for us. And it's basically really doing it. It might stop at any given time, in which case I can ask it to just continue generating. And it will just go ahead and proceed to keep generating as it always does. But as you can see, it's generating a lot of interests that you can use. Now I'm going to pause it for a second because we don't need all those interests. I just wanted to show you that you can fine-tune your ad by brainstorming a lot of interests using ChatGPT. But what I want from it is I want the detailed demographics for the target or for the ideal customer of this product. And I'm going to hit enter, in which case it's going to go ahead and basically brainstorm the detailed demographics for the ideal customers of this product. Now I see that I stopped it abruptly, so it might be lagging right now. So I'm just going to go and refresh the ChatGPT window. But as you can see, it's really a thing of magic. Now, let me just refresh again, and I'll leave it there for a second. Go check my ad. All right, so here is our ad. Unleash the Force. Lead blades and authentic sound and shop now. Amazing. And what do we have more? All right, we have another ad, Unleash the Force, Lead blades and authentic sound. Also amazing. Though I think the first one is much better. And we have this one. I think this one is much better than the first. Unleash the Force, Lead blades, authentic sound, shop now. And then what do we have more? Unleash the Force, da da da. So I think that the first and the third are really cool. You can split test them. You can test which one to your liking or which one is to your liking, and also split test, follow the data. So split test both. Create the same ad except for create it with two different creatives. All right, so here it basically gave me the demographics. So from 18 to 24, from 25 to 34, from 35 to 45, and so on and so forth. You can either target all of them at once, or, as people would do, you can particularly target, different people differently. So you could target 18 to 24 people alone by creating an ad for them, and then an ad for the 25 to 34. And you can even create 3 different landing pages or 6 different landing pages to split test. But as you can see, it's really interesting what this tool can do. And the ads are amazing. And that's pretty much it. So I hope that this addition to the course was actually really useful for anyone seeking to make a career in dropshipping. If you want to see more videos from us, make sure in the Q&A that you engage in the Q&A section. Let us know that you're still out there, that you're still basically striving to get to your dreams. And just let us know in the Q&A what you want us to add next. Also in the message section, and that's pretty much it. Stay tuned, and thank you very much for your attention. Passive Income Gen Z signing out.